as we're recording this, the opening day of Toy Story Land in Walt Disney World. And we have all the jealous feels today. So we decided to do something Disney. And I ordered some plain black Disney ears. And I'm gonna jazz them up. And I'm really excited. And hubby's gonna get his creative juices going. He's gonna go brave Hobby Lobby with me today. And we're gonna find some cool stuff to put on the ears. That's where we're going. This is Colorado. I'll tell you a little bit about some of the ideas I have for these ears. I actually have all of the stuff to make one pair of fall Halloween ears, and I've got a few things for a pair of Christmas ears, a few things for a pair of Winnie the Pooh ears. We're really looking to do some sort of nautical ear and then also a pirate ear.
Over here we have this big fancy building that they are just about done with. I don't know if you guys have heard of this company. They're this little internet guy. You can buy books on their website called Amazon. Taking over. In case you were worried, Hobby Lobby has it all. You can make your own Wookiee costume. We have discovered they have bows. Dun dun dun. She's trying to find beads to hang from her ears she's making for Pirate Night.
But I found these.
I say ladybugs. Barely out of June. Better start looking at fall. Here it is. I'm sure there's a purpose. This is terrifying. Guys, don't worry. There's more letters. We have more letters. So many letters. Christmas in July. No joke. We got Christmas.
Looking for stuff to make pirate ears. What do we think about this? Because I think we love it. Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah! The nautical ears? Wow! Come to our boat. That's how they talk.
Alright, we made it out alive.
I got stuff.
Alright.
Yeah.
We did get some stuff.
Yeah.
Found some cool stuff.
Yeah.
I think Crystal's going to actually do a DIY Mickey ears video. So that's probably when she'll show you what she got. It's astonishing the amount of letters that are in this place. I don't pay attention much, but I got kind of bored, so I wandered off, and if you didn't tell.
I think he now realizes why we had so many letter situations going on in our wedding.
Yeah, there was a lot. So, but if the audio sounds a little weird, we're trying out our gimbal we got for our phone. So we're just testing it out, seeing how it works. So on to Duluth Trading Company for me.